Hey guys, so we're here at the first project now, and it's right near to Mimar Sinan Metro, which is quite central. You can easily get to different parts of Istanbul from here, and we're just gonna show you this place. Let's go. Here's the place. We're walking in now.
We are at the center of Istanbul, at the Basin Express highway, as you know. The construction company had 5 projects in this area called G Tower, our project, G Plus, our old project, and G Rotana, GU, and one project at the Vanda Vista. We have the projects at this highway. The construction company make 5 buildings at this area.
Okay.
And we have the construction company manage the hotels in this building. The 8th floor of this building, the last 8 floors of this building, the G hotels manage, and 2 floors of the old building.
This is the old building that's shown that one. Okay. So this is the older, the gray one, right?
About 200 rooms.
200 rooms. Okay, 200 rooms. Okay, so about this one, this is finished now. It's almost
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Okay, and you have units available, like brand new.
The last units.
The few units. Okay.
The last units, and after 1 month will be launched. All commercial shops will be launched. About 45 commercial shops, because they wait. The metro starts here, and last month the metro starts here. Mimar Sinan station.
What would you say is the most biggest selling point for this project? Would you say for
The building is usable for Airbnb and short term.
Yeah.
Renting.
What about the amenities like pool, sauna, or
We have
parking?
open swimming pool and closed swimming pool, gym, fitness, Turkish hammam, and all the facilities. We have 3 flats, 3 floors, parkings, and we have a storage for each flat.
Okay. And one of the biggest questions is how much is the aidat? Because in Istanbul sometimes our investors
About 3,000 liras.
Okay, it's not
For
bad.
our
It's not bad. 3,000 is not bad. Yeah.
Less than $100.
Yeah, that's true. That's not bad. For citizenship now, is
The
it
flats are available
With guarantee?
suitable for citizenship.
with the report?
We have the evolution report, yes.
Okay. So that's another challenge. A lot of the investors face. So now
Yes, we have title deeds, kalp mülkiyet,
Oh, perfect. Okay.
and at our title deeds, rights, residence for the deed.
So how many flats can we get like for 400k? Like 6, 7, 5? How many?
Correct.
For 400k.
3 flats
3 flats. Okay.
suitable for citizenship.
And the price?
The price $481,000.
481. Okay, so it's just almost close to 500. What about like title deed fees and VAT, like taxes, any other living costs?
We have 1% VAT.
But foreigners doesn't have to pay, right?
Just 100. Just 1%.
Okay, 1%.
It's
Okay.
not so.
And sometimes you get it back from the lawyers as well.
Yes.
Okay.
But at 1%.
No
it's
need.
not-
Okay.
No need for 1%.
And then what about the 1% is like, how much is that? 400?
1% include the price.
Ah, it's included?
Yes,
In the 480?
Yes, it's
Okay,
included.
and the title deed fees? The
But
title deed?
4%.
4%.
Yes.
And we pay.
Yes. The
You
client
guys
pay.
will pay.
The
4%.
4%, yes.
Okay, so that's the, okay. So I guess usually it's 2, right? And yeah, but I guess we can
Usually 2 for the first.
we negotiate that,
Yes.
with the clients come there.
We can discuss. We can discuss it.
Okay, so that's fine. We leave that for later. But roughly 3 flats, 3 beautiful 1+1s. What comes inside the 1+1? Do you have a sample place that we can see?
Yes, we can.
Okay, do we have time for that? Or? Okay. example, here, this is, you get it pretty much empty, and then you can just put the decor. You can put the flooring how you want, the ceiling, and then do all the design. So it's all pretty much like empty. And you can do an industrial design and leave the top like, and you know, paint it. A lot of people do that. Yeah, so I mean, you can put a nice Okay.
The final price, I say to you, about $185,000.
Furnished.
Furnished.
For the 1+1.
Yeah, furnished.
Furnished 185, right? Furnished, okay.
This is about 78 square meters gross, and we have a 50 net area, living area.
How much net area?
50.
50, okay.
The height of the flat about 3 meters.
All electricity is off, right, for now?
Yeah, mini balcony here.
Yeah, it's pretty spacious actually. It's not like a very small. Okay, nice. Central air conditioning, yeah? Heating?
No,
Merkezi or?
just heating.
Oh, just
not
heating.
cooling.
Oh, okay, yeah. Istanbul, you don't need the cooling. Yeah, it's pretty warm. It's nice and warm here. Yeah, I would say it's pretty spacious, yeah? Yeah, not bad.
It's private, basically.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
This, and the
It's bigger than-
sample apartment, we have this.
Oh, okay, not like, yeah.
Actually, we
Nor-
don't have this.
normally it's a normal fridge, right? Uh-huh.
Normally there isn't anything here.
Oh, it's completely
like
empty here.
They
Uh-huh.
don't have master bedroom, right?
No.
At the end of this, no. Okay.
Just on
This one comes with it, Arya, or these cabinets, or in
Not
the?
included.
No, right? Okay. So normally
Not
this.
included, not included, not included. We must
So here is like what is like? Is there a hole or?
empty.
Okay.
We have this, but here is
Here is
empty.
it's going in or fully empty the whole wall.
Fully empty.
Okay, this is fake wall, yeah, on top.
No, this is there isn't a fake wall.
Ah, this wall is there.
This wall is from here.
Okay, okay.
Not
this-
empty.
Okay, got it. Okay.
This is for both long-term rent and Airbnb, right?
Yes.
What about this one? This one is there or not included? Included. Included. And the
Included.
in the bathroom, this vanity is included.
Included, not included.
This not included.
Not included, yes.
This
Not included.
not included. Only this.
Also that.
Of course, yeah. This one. This included, right? This is a shower.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, of course. Exhaust as well. I like that. Yeah, there's an exhaust. That's nice. So they're using Artima here mainly. It's pretty good company. We got some storage here, which is good. Okay, not bad, I would say. So let me show you this unit now. This is a 2+1. And here, as soon as we enter, we see the 2 bedrooms here. There's a little, actually it's not little, there's a huge closet space here for your shoes and your coats and everything. So this is pretty decent. You got here a bunch of space here. So you can put a lot of stuff here. And then to my left, we have the bathroom, which right now the electricity is off. So you got the full nice vanity, vitra, toilet, nice modern toilet. And then your sliding shower here. Oh, you got space for a washing machine too. Okay, and the best part is there's an exhaust here, which I love that. So, nice, minimalist big shower. Good, decent glass. Let's go here into the rooms. So the first room is a little bit smaller. Actually, they're both kind of small. You could fit a queen size here, but you may not have space for 2 side tables, maybe just 1 side table. And then you can fit a wardrobe. The wardrobe can be pretty thick. Like you can fit a nice deep wardrobe in there. You got a decent sized window overlooking the main road. And so TV outlets here. You got your doors, good quality. So here we go. Here's the second one. Similar size, a bit brighter. There's a light here. Again, you got the space for wardrobe. And then you got your little heater there. And then same thing, nice window. Okay, and now let's show you the living room. So living room is quite spacious with a kitchen, with you got a nice space for fridge. The cabinets look pretty decent. It's got like some interesting backsplash kind of glass. You got some LED lights up here too. Wow, I like this detail here. The outlet is built into the top, which is quite nice. You got your regular electric stove top. I guess you could switch that out for gas too, but then you will have to, get gas wired up in here, which might be a little bit tricky. But I'm sure you could do that. Oh, nice! So you got that garbage contraption. Really nice view here. I really like the flooring too. I don't feel any kind of loose boards, so that's really nice. You got Wyndham Hotel, you got their G+, the next towers here, the ones that are already previously built, the older ones, already people living there. The metro is going to be coming right. The metro already, 1 line is there, the second line is coming up right there where you see the construction going on. So there is basically where the new line will be coming, which will go to Kirazli and Marmaray. So already they have 1 line which is going there. And for how, what's the price? 481, so like close to 500k. 481 is when you're getting 3, and the rent here is how much?
Rent here per flat about 25,000 liras.
$700. So $700 a month. Long term. So there's no stress of like short term
Totally
rentals.
yearly about 5.4%.
Okay, 5.4.
You can achieve that.
That's not bad. Yeah, 5.4%.
For Istanbul, it's very good.
Yeah, yeah.
Nowadays, it's very good.
Yes, and the
2 years ago, it's not that.
I think, yeah, I mean, it may get better. Let's see when the shops come, it may even push up, right? So that's something we can explore. Anything else we want to say, brother?
Major touristic hotspots, Taksim, Istiklal Caddesi, and Sultanahmet, even Kadıköy are within 1 hour 15 minutes reach from here.
By metro.
With this metro, you can connect to Marmara line, and with the
Kadıköy'de.
Marmara line, you can reach everywhere. in Istanbul.
Everywhere to Istanbul.
Yes.
What about there's a
We
college?
have near malls here.
3
Star
malls.
City,
Star
and
City.
two.
Doğa Koleji, private school.
Okay, let's first cover the malls. So we have how many? 3 malls.
1 kilometers to Star City, 2 kilometers to Twenty, about 4 or 5 kilometers to Mall of Istanbul,
To Mall.
Floria, Arena Park. We have 4 and 5 malls here. We have universities here.
Which
about
universities are here?
Kültür Üniversitesi,
Kültür,
Altınbaş,
Altınbaş.
Arel, Aydın, and Sabahattin Zaim.
Oh wow.
It's near about 2 or 3 kilometers.
Wow. So perfect for students, perfect for, you know, like people like working in the area with kids, maybe like, you know, if you have a couple of kids. What if someone has a bigger family? Are there like bigger apartments, or mainly it's 1+1 right here?
1+1 and 2+1.
And 2+1, okay, yeah.
This is the project for the investment.
Yes, yes. What about the long-term rental? Do you guys, who helps like with that, like locally here? Does the management office
Yes.
can help?
Our office or our friend's office
Okay.
can manage the rental.
Perfect. So we have Arya here as well, and of course we have our own team here as well, like Brother Idris here. But in case we need like just somebody who is like literally in the building, so these guys are pretty much here too. So with tenants, you won't have headaches because we have a good team, we have a good network.
Yeah.
So with Arya and his people here too. So you know, yeah, that's it. I think we'll stay tuned, and if you like that, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Check out the link in the description to get your citizenship today.